Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, July 14th, 2026 at 10:05, and today we have our Day 1 Outlook to look at for today. So, in our Day 1 Outlook for today, we have an enhanced risk that encompasses parts of northern New York State, northern Vermont, northern New Hampshire, and western Maine. We have a slight risk that encompasses parts of northern New York State, northern Vermont, central Vermont, central New Hampshire, and southern to eastern Maine. We have another slight risk over here that encompasses central Montana, and we have a marginal risk that encompasses parts of northern New York State, central Vermont, central New Hampshire, and southern Maine. So we have those areas under a marginal. We also have much of Montana and northeastern Idaho also under a marginal risk, as well as northwestern Wyoming. So, and we also have central to eastern Florida also under a marginal risk. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for today. Today we have a 10% hatched tornado threat that encompasses western to central Maine. We have a 5% tornado hatch that encompasses parts of northern New York, northern Vermont, northern New Hampshire, and central and northern Maine. We have a 2% tornado risk that encompasses parts of northern New York, central Vermont, central New Hampshire, and southern Maine. And we have a 2% normal also that encompasses northern New York, central Vermont, central New Hampshire, and southern Maine. So we have those in eastern Maine as well. So we have those areas under a 2% tornado risk for today. So we have Burlington, Lewiston, Bangor, Brunswick, and Auburn under the significant severe. We have Madison, Maine under the 10%. Burlington, Lewiston, Bangor, Auburn, and Plattsburgh under the 5%. And Portland, Rochester, Scarborough, Sanford, and Brunswick under the 2%. So for the 10% hatched area, we could see a strong EF2 to EF3 tornado possible. Not very common up there in New England. 5% hatched, we could see an EF1 to EF2 tornado possible today. 2% hatched, we could see an EF1 tornado possible today. And 2% normal, we could see an EF0 to EF1 tornado possible today as well. So please be mindful as well. Going into the wind threat for today, we have a 30% hatch that encompasses parts of northern New York, northern Vermont, northern New Hampshire, and northern and western Maine. We have a 15% hatch that encompasses parts of central New Hampshire, central Vermont, central New Hampshire, and southern and eastern Maine. We have a 15% normal that encompasses northern New York, central Vermont, and central New Hampshire, and southern Maine. We have a 5% that also encompasses northern New York, central Vermont, central New Hampshire, and southern Maine. We also have a 15% that encompasses central Montana, and also a 5% that encompasses southwestern through central Montana as well. So we have those areas under a 5%. We also have parts of central to eastern Florida also under a 5%. So we have Burlington, Lewiston, Bangor, Brunswick, and Auburn under the significant severe. Plattsburgh, Colchester, Waterville, Berlin, and Skowhegan under the 30%. Portland, Great Falls, Burlington, Lewiston, and Bangor under the 15%. And Orlando, Coral Springs, Port St. Lucie, Billings, and West Palm Beach under the 5%. So for the 30% hatched area, we could see 80 to 85 mile per hour wind gusts possible today. 15% hatched, we could see 60 to 75 to 80 mile per hour wind gusts possible today. 15% normal, we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible today. 5%, we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible today, so please be mindful of that. Going into the hail threat for today, we have a 15% hatch that encompasses northern New York, northern Vermont, northern New Hampshire, and northern Maine. We have, western to central Maine. We have a 15% normal that encompasses northern Maine. We have a 5% that encompasses northern New York, central Vermont, central New Hampshire, and southern and eastern Maine. We also have a 5% that encompasses much of Montana and northeastern Idaho and northwestern Wyoming. So we have those areas under a 5% for today. We have Burlington, Bangor, Plattsburgh, Augusta, and Colchester under the significant severe. Burlington, Bangor, Plattsburgh, Colchester, and South Burlington under the 15%. And Billings, Portland, Great Falls, Concord, and Lewiston under the 5%. So for the 15% hatched area, we could see 1 to 3.5 inch downward hail possible today. 5% we could see 1 to 2 inch downward hail possible today, so please be mindful of that today. Going into the summary for today, it says severe thunderstorms capable of producing, there's the reset. Severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds, isolated 75 plus miles per hour, large to very large hail, and tornadoes, some strong, are expected today across parts of northern New York and northern New England. Thunderstorms with scattered severe winds and isolated hail will also be possible across portions of Montana. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe today. There's today's hail risk. There's today's wind risk. There's today's tornado risk. And there's today's day one outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe today. Even if you are under a marginal risk, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. Anyway, I do really hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay weather aware and stay safe. And now I have my day 2 outlook later on this afternoon, as well as any day 1 outlook updates, which I'm sure will happen. Anyway, in the meantime, stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.